Good morning, students. Welcome back to my online class. Today, we shall continue from paragraph 12th onwards. I request all of you to go through the books as I read and explain it. So, let us start. Soon after, in the middle of the summer, the rain stopped. When I walked outside, the grass was damp and the sun was already high up in the sky. So here narrator is sharing what happened in middle of the summer. When rain had stopped completely, narrator stepped out from her home and she finds that the grass outside was slightly wet and the sun was high up in the sky. So it was almost afternoon. And I stood there with my hands up in the sky. Now narrator feels so happy that she has stepped out of her home and her hands are up in the air. What she feels? I felt brave that day. I felt free. Now deep within herself, narrator is feeling confident and she feels brave and even she feels free. I got close to the fence and that girl asked my name. Now narrator goes close to the fence as that white girl was sitting over there. She asks name. So here narrator replies, Clover, I said. Here narrator is replying her name as Clover. My name's Annie. She said Annie Paul. So here the white girl replies her name as Annie Paul. I live over yonder. Yonder means at some distance in the place or direction indicated, showing with her hand in the direction where her house is. She said, by where you see the laundry, that's my blouse hanging on the line. So she is showing where her blouse is hanging over just in front of the window. There my house is. She smiled then. She had a pretty smile. The white girl smiles and narrator finds that this girl has a pretty smile. And then I smiled. We stood there looking at each other. So there they look at each other, they smile each other, and there they stand and they look at each other and also they smile. It's nice up on this fence, Annie said. You can see all over. So Annie is telling that it is nice to be here, nice so that you can see everywhere. You can see all over. So it is nice to be here on the fence. That's what Annie Paul is telling to the narrator. I ran my hand along the fence. I reached up and touched the top of it. Now narrator is taking out her hands on the fence and she reaches the top of the fence. She feels happy. A fence like this was made for sitting on, Annie said. Annie replies to the narrator here that this fence is meant for sitting. She looked at me sideways as she is telling that this fence is meant for sitting, she says, and side by side she is looking at the narrator. My mama says I shouldn't go on the other side, I said. So here she replies that my mama has told that I should not cross the fence. I shouldn't go the other side of the fence, she says. My mama says the same thing. Even Even she's telling that even my mama also has told the same thing. So here we can find that both the narrator's mother and the white girl's mother, both mothers tell the same thing, that they should not go, they should not cross the fence and go the other side. Both of them have the same response from her, from their mother, from their mothers. My mama says the same thing, but she never said nothing about sitting on it. My mama also has told the same thing, that you should not cross the fence, but she hasn't told anything about sitting on the fence. This is what she is telling. Neither did mine, I said. So here both the girls' mother's mentality is of same category. So we find the moral is same answer from both of them. Even the narrator's mother says the same thing, that you can go up to the fence, but you cannot go beyond the fence. Even the white girl's mother says the same thing, that you can go up to the fence, but you shouldn't cross the fence. And another thing that we find, that both white girls and the narrator's mother's mentalities of same type. Going and sitting on the fence is of no problem, that does not cause any problem. Both of them have this type of mentality. So sitting on the fence is no problem for both of them. So they don't have the problem going and sitting over the fence, but they have been told that they shouldn't cross the fence and go beyond it. So we stop here, and in next video we shall continue from paragraph 26 onwards. Here I stop. Thank you, students.